everyone! Today we're unboxing HTVRONT's latest heat press, the H10V2, and using it to make a medium-sized, more complex HTV design project. Opening the box, on top, you'll find a user data envelope containing a brand card, a user manual card, a warranty card, and a storage bag for the machine. Then we take out the heat press. So inside the box, you'll find all of these items. Besides the machine, you'll also need to prepare a heat press mat, a t-shirt, a PTFE sheet, and your design. These are the button details: temperature, power, time, increase, start, decrease. After plugging in, short press the power button to turn it on. Hold temperature button for 3s to switch between degree F and degree C. Hold time button for 3S to switch between LB and KT. Hold power button for 5s to reset to default settings and auto shutdown. Hold the increase and decrease button simultaneously for 4th to turn the fan on or off. To set temperature, press the temperature button, adjust with increase or decrease button, then press temperature button again to confirm. Or wait 3 for automatic state. To set time, press the time button and follow the same steps. After the parameters are set, the machine will begin preheating. During preheating, the start button will light up red. When the set temperature is reached, the start button will turn green. Place the t-shirt on the heat press mat and smooth it out. Then place your design on the shirt. Cover it with a PTFE sheet. Short press the start button to begin the countdown, and apply pressure between 49 pound studs, 59 pounds, until pressing is complete. When it's done, the machine will beep to remind you. Remove the machine and the PTFE sheet. Leave for the t-shirt to cool, then seal off the transfer film. And your unique t-shirt is ready. You can see that the edges of the design are pressed very firmly. It also worked with all popular materials like sublimation paper, GTF blend, whole-face rhinestones, embroidery patches, and more. The 15-unit auto shuttle safety feature lets you create with more peace of mind. Finally, here are suggested settings for popular materials. However, materials from different brands may vary. For best results, we recommend using HTVRONT materials and following the suggested settings. That's all for today's unboxing and the first use guide for H10V2. So, are you ready to get started?